Good morning children, welcome to online classes. Today I am going to take our second section. In the first section I taught you digit numbers and addition and subtraction. Today I am going to teach you how to multiply the numbers, how to divide the numbers. Here I have written two sums here. In the first sums you have to take the numbers, and write it down. Upon that, in the addition and subtraction, what we did, we used place value. The same thing we have to use the place value top of these numbers. First, in the ones place, here 3 is there. With the 3, you should multiply all these numbers. So 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12. Here, ones place number, we multiply with the one place number. In the answer, you have to put cross here. Because ones place number we will multiply it. We got an answer, and afterwards ones place is over, no? So we should put the cross over, and afterwards we have to start the 10th place number. 10th place number is 6. With the 6 we are going to multiply all these numbers. 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. 2 only in 12. This 2 only you should write it here, and 1 you should write top of this number. Okay. Then 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 you should put the 9 here, and 1 you should write top of this number. And 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. Now you should add these two numbers. So 3, 6 plus 6 is 12. Again 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Again 1 you should write on the top. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. And again 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Here 2 you should write. So what answer you got? 2,72,223. Now we will move to the second sum. The second sum with the 6,753, I am going to multiply with 178. 6,000. I am not writing here place value top of this number because I already taught you in the first sum how to use the place value and how to multiply. Here directly we will try this. With the 8 is in ones place. With ones place number you have to multiply all these numbers. With 8 3s are 24. 4 you should write here, and 2 you should write top of this 5, and 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. 2 you should write here, and 4 you should write. You should carry over on the 7 of this one, and 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. 0 you should write here, and 6 you should write top of this number. And 6 6s are 48. 48 plus 6 is 54. 54 you should write it. And afterwards ones place with the ones place number we multiply all these numbers. So here in the answer you have to put the cross for the ones place number. Now we are going to multiply with the 10th place number. 10th place number is 7. With the 7 we are going to multiply all these numbers now. 7 3s are 21. 1 you should write it here, and 2 put the cross under this one, then you will get the confused. 2 I am writing here. Okay. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. So 7 you should write it here, and 3 put the cross on this number and write it over top of the 7. And 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3 is 52. 52 2 you should write here, and 5 you should write top of this number. Okay. 7 6 are 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 5 is 47. 47 you should write it here. And 10th place number also we multiply with the 10th place number. We multiply all these numbers. So here in ones place and 10th place you have to put the cross here. Next with the 1 we are going to multiply all this number. 1 3s are 3, and 1 5s are 5, and 1 7s are 7, and 6. We should add all these 3 numbers. Here 4 0 0 is 4, and 2 plus 1 is 3. And 0 plus 7 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. 0 you should put here and 1 is carry over top of this 4. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. 12, 2 you have to put it here and 1 top of this 5 you should write. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20. 0 you should write here and 2 you should write top of this 4. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. Then how much you got now? 12 lakhs 2034. You got the answer. What is your answer? 12 lakhs 2034. Now I am going to teach the division with the 732. How to divide with the 4. In the addition, subtraction, multiplication, we divide all the numbers. We done the solution. How we done? From the right to left we will multiply, and from the right to left we will add, and even the subtraction also from right to left only we will do. In this division we have to go from the left to right. You have to take the first. You should take the 7. 7 you should check with the compare with the 4 and 7. 7 is greater than 4. So you have to take only 7. So 1 4s are, how many 4s will come in the 7? 1 4s are 4. So here you should subtract 7 and 4. 7 minus 4 is, you will get 3. 3 is less than 4. So what you should do? You have to take this 3 and write it down. And 3 you should write. Now how many 4s are in 33? You have to check in the table. How many 4s will come? 8 4s are 32. So what is the remainder you will get? You will get 33 minus 32 is 1. So 1 is less than 4. So you have to bring this to down. Okay. In 4, how many? In 12, how many 4s are there? 3 4s are 12. So what you will get the remainder? You will get the 0. And afterwards, what is your quotient? You got the quotient 183. You should write it quotient. You got 183. And what is your remainder? Remainder is 0. Now we'll move on to the second sum.
Miss, continue.
Now we'll move on to the second sum. Now we'll move on to the second sum. With the 4-digit number, how to divide the 2-digit numbers. 8,345. Division 13. Okay. How many? 13 will come 7. First you have to take the first number 8. 8 is less than 13. So you have to take two numbers here. So 83 you are getting. 83 is greater than 13. So how many 13s are there in 83? You have it. 6 13 it will come. 6 13s are 78. So from the 83, if you will subtract 78, you are getting 5. And afterwards 5 is less than, you have to check 5 is less than. Always the remainder number what you are getting, that should be less than. Now you got the answer 5. The 4 next 5 is less than 13. The remainder number always should be less than the 13 only. Okay, you got 5 now. So 5 is less than 13. So you should bring it that 4 down. So you will get 54. 54 you will compare with the 13. It's a greater number. How many 50, 13 are there in 54? You have to check. 4 13s are, you will get 52. So 52, if you minus this, if you subtract with the 54, 52, you are getting remainder 2. 2 is less than, again less than 13. So you have to bring this 5 down. So you are getting now 25. How many 13s are there in 25? It's a 1, 13 is 13. So what you are getting the remainder? If you subtract with the 25 to 13, you are getting the remainder 12. So what is your quotient? 641. The remainder is 12. Now I am going to give the second section. assignment. Both the section assignment you have to do in the 200 pages horizontal notebook. It is you have to purchase from our school. So using 4 and 3 digit number, do the 5 multiplications also. Here I have given the example 4 digit. Here you can take the 2 digit number also or 3 digit numbers also. And in division also you have to write 5 sums. Here I have given the example how to take the numbers. 3400 and this one, and with the 16 and 3 digit 1, 3 digit here divisor 3 digit number also you have to take and do it. 3 digit number and 1 digit number also you have to take and do it. Our second section. So this one is over. Maths class is over. I will meet you in the third section.